Hey, Aidan Booth here. Thank you for joining me in this video. We're going to be talking about ConvertKit mastery over the next dozen videos or so. And to kick things off, what I would like to do is come over to ConvertKit and show you around a little bit. So this here is what you'll see on the homepage, and you can learn a lot more about their features, what they do, the automation, the pricing, just by navigating around here. But the magic happens when you come on the inside, obviously, and that's where we are now. So anytime you're in the inside, you can search for a subscriber by typing in their email down here. You can see your broadcast history by coming over here. You can see your sequences here. You can set up forms and landing pages here. You can set up all kinds of different automations here. And you can set up tags and stuff by scrolling down further on this page. Any account information, you can find it here. Also, by navigating in here, this is where you're going to be able to set your default settings. Okay, so we'll dive into a lot of this and much more in the coming videos. We're going to be covering how to create a tag, how to use tags, what they are, how to upload subscribers, how to create a form, how to create a sequence, how to turn that sequence into an automation, how to automatically assign a tag, how to create segments, how to send out broadcasts, including the formatting, split testing of subject lines, filters, scheduling, testing, choosing templates, how to check on statistics, how to send messages to certain groups of people who may not have opened one of your messages, how to duplicate messages, how to create your own templates, and much more. So I'll try to keep these videos as short and concise as humanly possible here, and hopefully you get a lot out of this, and hopefully you can see why we've started using ConvertKit and think it's a pretty good tool for our business. So with that said, we'll wrap up video number 1, and I'll see you on the next video.